Okay, while I'm waiting for another part to 3D print, I decided I'm going to start putting the fingertips on the fingers instead of just having these raw ends where you can see the ends of the tendons. So I'm just lightly sanding these, and I'm just going to use some super glue gel to attach them. I've already secured the knots that are on the end of each of these with some super glue so that the knots won't come undone. I just need to pull on the tendons to get them tied up to the tip of the finger. And it's going to add some super glue gel to both pieces and try and get them lined up as best as I can in the time that I have before it dries. So I get this finger lined up. Get it lined up and hold it in place, and try not to crap. That should be done in just a second. I can move on to the next one. Fingers will look a lot better when the tips are on. And I'll just do the same with the rest of them. And then hopefully the other part will be ready and I'll be able to get back to getting those tendons routed, and I'll be back in a bit.